Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Mark from Dezignz again. Here we got a 200 liter donkey boiler. You got your pressure release here. You can turn. You got your outlet there, and then you got your inlet on the side. Now this was a weird geyser. It's not like the normal ones that we normally use, but yeah, so basically the same principle. You got your firebox, and you got your fire grill on the inside there. 12 mil rebar, 16 mil rebar, 16 mil rebar in there. So yeah, so that should last a lot longer than 3 mil angle iron, which I made a mistake of doing, but yeah, it was rectified. But there we go. Again, the door can come off. It comes off. Put it back on. Yeah, the choice is yours. But yeah, 200 liter donkey boiler, all done. Thanks guys.